Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 Pro, and let me share with you some useful secret codes which you can use and check on your device actually. So firstly, let's enter the dialer, because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. And let me begin with actually the longest one, but also the most useful for a regular user. I mean, it is not a very technical one. So it is *## 64663 ###. And as you can see, we are in a QC test mode, and here we can actually check all of the components of our device. So we can check the version info, and here we've got some, let's say, technical info. Let's get back. But here we can also check the keyboard test, vibration test, touch sensor, display, receiver, speaker, Bluetooth scan, light sensor, OTG, charger test, GPS, battery indicator, and so on and so on. So we've got 36 tests which we can check if our device is working perfectly fine. So not only you will have fun with checking all of those tests, but also you will find out any problems if you've got some. So let me show you, for example, how to use the touch sensor. Let's tap on it. As you can see, here we've got the lines, here we've got the rectangles, and here we have to draw the lines inside of them in order to check if all those areas, all of the corners of this screen are working perfectly fine. And if you can see the blue color inside them, then it means that this area works fine. So as you can see, we just got to the next test, to the display test. So if after getting back, we can go back and show you. As you can see, the touch sensor which we've just checked has been passed, because your device detected that it can feel, let's say, your touch in every corner, and it automatically transferred us to the display test. So let's tap on it and let me show it to you also. Let's tap on the screen, and here we've got the color test. So if you can see the red color all across the screen without any missing white spots, then it means that it works perfectly fine. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the green, and the same situation is working, and after tapping we've got the blue, and the same also, it is working perfectly fine. So as you can see, we've got the screen test completed, and here you have to decide if your device passed it or failed it. So mine passed, so I will pick pass, and as you can see, again, I have been transferred to another test which is connected to the receiver. But let me get back, because I don't. Okay, let me tap on fail, and as you can see, it will be notified on this list. So I highly recommend to have fun with this section in order to just check your device. So let me get back actually to the dialer, and let me show you another code which will be on the other side, the shortest one, and it will open the email info. So it is *##06#. And as I said, the email info just pops out. Here we can check the email numbers for both SIM slots and also the serial number which is connected to this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best section to enter if you'd like to check the events, because they are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will be, let's say, technical one. It will open the diagnostics. It is *##426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we've got, for example, info like the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. After tapping on events, we can also check some further details, for example, failed connections. We can tap on 3 dots icon and tap on advanced view. After tapping on status again, here we've got much more info, for example, network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which will open the testing mode also, but I would say again, for the technical info, it is *##* 4636 pound asterisk pound asterisk. And here we've got the testing mode. As I said, we've got two different phone info, and it is because we've got two different emails and they are connected to two different SIM slots. And we've got Wi-Fi info. So let me pick the first one, for example, and as you can see, all of those info, in my case, like phone number, car network, data network type, or signal level, are empty. It is because I do not have my SIM card inserted, but no worries, if you have your own, then you will be able to check all of those info. What's more, you will be able to run ping test here. As you can see, here you've got the results. After tapping on more, you can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back, and obviously after tapping on the phone info number 2, we've got the same info but connected to the second SIM slot. Let's tap on Wi-Fi info. I am connected to the Wi-Fi, so we will be able to check, for example, the API configuration or the status. So let's pick the status, and here we can check, for example, the network state, SSID, or network ID. In order to check those info, you have to refresh the stats. So as you can see, all info simply appeared. What's more, we can run ping test, and here we've got the results. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.